Hi everybody, it's Deidrean. Thank you so much for joining me for yet another video. Now today we are in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, and we're about to check out the Twickenham Glades community. I'm not sure how many of you have seen my video on the top 5 upcoming developments for St. Catherine that I did last November. Well, we have visited 4 out of the 5 developments, and today we're visiting number 5. Now, Twickenham Glades has already been awarded to the respective contributors, but it's not yet occupied. So we'll get a full tour of the inside of these units. So please just stick around.
Viewing. Yeah. They're not doing any? Okay. Okay. You see my chance at one like
Knock, knock. Is anybody inside? Expansion, if you can expand to the front or you just expand to the back?
And to the back.
Only to the back.
Yes, miss.
Can you expand to your side, like the side that is yours, like, to the side, or it's just the back you cannot expand?
Only to the back, I'm sure of.
You can go upstairs.
You can go upstairs on this part, but I guess on the back that you extend to, you can go upstairs,
Yeah.
right? Alright. I figure more or less. Okay, so all the cupboards are just the same. And outside you have a little wash area.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go into the bedrooms then. So this is the open concept living and dining area. Alright, so and it's just one bathroom, right?
Yes, miss.
Okay, thanks. It's big enough. I mean, it could be bigger, but. And this is the tub. Alright. Okay, so this is bedroom number 1 right here.
Yes.
Both of them have closet?
Yeah. Same thing with both of them.
Okay.
Same and both side.
And it's the same size for the 2 rooms?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Basically, all of the houses, the room is the same size.
It's the same size?
Yeah, that's the same size.
Okay.
Bathroom, same size.
Alright, the closet space isn't so bad. Okay. And then you're right next to the NHD. Alright, so this is number 2. As they say, it's the same size. I'll just go in there. My number 2 feels kind of bigger. I don't know, maybe it's my mind.
When I say size,
It's not mine. I'm just here thinking it's different, but it's the same. Okay. And you say we can add. So to the peg right there
Yes.
is.
That's your corner post.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the next one.
Okay. Alright. Alright, so then she said we can go around and look around the community. You know how many units in the community?
It's 110.
110 units.
Yes.
Okay.
And 11 road.
11 roads?
Road. This is
Row. Oh.
this is one row
Okay.
and second row, third row.
Alright.
Go along.
Alright, so we can go around the back.
Yeah.
Alright. You know how far this lot extends to?
Right here.
Oh, it's not bad. Alright. And this is the pig. Yeah. Alright. All of the units are the same except for the lot size. And over here we have Union Estate and the NHD building right through here. You want to look at the rest of the community? It's just the same. And over there we have the new school, the new free prep school, and Jose Marti is just down there. So over there says the school. You have two really nice schools close by. But all of this is just pretty much the same. And yeah.
Like when rainfall water settle.
You wonder about the I'm not sure. I think the drainage adequate.
Okay guys, so these units went for 13.7 to 14 million dollars last year November. Let me know what you think of this NHT development, but that is all we have time for today. Until my next video, have a great day everyone.